Today we are going to learn elimination method for solving pair of linear equation. This is an algebraic method, right? To solve a pair of linear equation, we have studied about graphical method and substitution method, and next is elimination method. ठीक है? First of all, we will try to write this equation in proper way. That is 3x minus 5y, when you transfer 4 you can get equal to 4. In this question 9x 2y transfer here minus 2y equal to 7, right? First of all we will try to solve this, then I will explain the method. So in this question see the variables of x and y in both equation. In elimination, as you know that eliminate करना, eliminate means एक को गायब करना, एक को cancel out करना. So for elimination, we will try to equate the coefficient of any variable x or y should be equal. Coefficient of any variable x or y should be equal. x या y किसी को भी coefficient को हम क्या करेंगे? Equal करेंगे. इक्वल कर देंगे, जिसका कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल हो जाएगा दैट कैन बी एलिमिनेटेड. इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी कैन इक्वेट दिस टू एंड दिस टू आल्सो, राइट? बट फॉर योर आवर कन्वीनियंट, फॉर आवर इजीनेस, फॉर यू कीपिंग माइंड विदाउट एनी डिस्टर्बेंस, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू इक्वेट द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y. दिस विल बी मोर यूजफुल फॉर यू. ऑलवेज ट्राई to equate the coefficient of y. So in some question that will be more easy to equate the coefficient of y, but we will try for y. So how you can equate this to keeping in mind, first thing you can say LCM. Second thing, just think about that what should we multiply this and this to get equal. What should we multiply this and this to it becomes equal. As you know that 5 to the 10 and 2 5 the 10. It is not necessary that we should multiply in both, but we should equate both. So when you multiply in by 2 and in this 2 by 5, this will be equal. So multiply here by 2 and here by 5. In equation 1 by 2, in equation 2 by 5. When you multiply, our purpose is to equate this coefficient, but when you multiply any number in this equation, we have to multiply each and every term of the equation. So this 2 multiply 3 gets 6x, 2 multiply by 5 get 10y, 2 multiply 4 get 8, 5 multiply 9 45x, 5 multiply 2 10y, 5 multiply 7 35. Each and every term should be multiplied by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 5 9 ja 45, 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35. Now then you have to add or subtract as it is, it should be cancelled out. In this case, one idea we can use, if the variable which will be eliminated have same sign, the variable which you want to eliminate, the variable which coefficients are equal having same sign. In this case 10y both are having same coefficient, have same sign. When it is same sign, you always should be subtract here. Always should be subtract. For subtraction, you have to change the sign. ठीक है? जिसको कैंसिल करना है, जिस वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट सेम हो रहा है, उनकी साइन इफ सेम, मतलब आइदर प्लस और माइनस, या दोनों प्लस है या दोनों माइनस है. In this case, we have to always subtract. Now by the subtraction, this will be minus 46 plus 6 is 39x, and plus 10y minus, this is plus 10y, this is minus 10y, cancel out, and this is minus 35 and plus 8. This is minus 27. This is minus 39 because minus is greater. Minus 45 plus 6 is minus 39x. Minus 35 plus 8 is minus 27. Now observe here, you find that this step has only one variable. In some cases you will get now first of all we completed. Now x equal to minus 27 upon minus 39. This to be cancelled out. Now this 3 9 ja 27, 3 13 ja 3 13 ja 39. So x equal to 9 upon 39. Okay. Now one thing you have to know here, whenever you try this type of form, there also be some cases like this: 6x minus 10y equal to 8, 6x minus 10y equal to 8. If you find like these cases, right? If you find case like this in which when you subtract this minus and this minus, you will get this cancel and here are minus 2 only. In this type of cases where both variable cancelled out, it means the pair of linear equation has infinitely no, in this case has no solution. It may be inconsistent, right? It is here, it has no solution, it is inconsistent. Whenever you find a case like this, if all result will be 0, become 0, then you can say that the pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. So whenever no solution, you cannot find solution. Whenever many solution, it is also, but in many solution it is also consistent and you cannot find the solution. So in this case, here in this case you will find that here we have x, y is eliminated. So by solving this we find that x equal to 9 upon 13. Now again substitute value of x in equation. In which equation you will put the value of x? You can put value of x in any of the equation 1 or equation 2, whatever easy. As the equation have low coefficient, you will try ऐसा इक्वेशन चूज करिए जिसमें कोफिशिएंट लो हो, छोटा कैलकुलेशन दिखाया था. You can use any of the 1 or 2. So substitute value of x in equation first. In equation first, what is in equation first? Equation first is over here 3x minus 5y equal to 4. This is equation first. Now put the value of x equal to it was 9 upon 13. So 3 into 9 upon 13 minus 5y equal to 4. This is 27 upon 13 minus 5y equal to 4. Right? Now we can transfer over here. 4 here minus 5 here. Either we can take here LCM. Whatever easy you can do it. You can transfer here 27 upon 13 minus 4, and this is plus 5y. Minus 4 transferred left hand side and 5y to the right hand side. Thus we have a single variable. Now simplify this by taking LCM. What is LCM? 13, 27, 52 equal to 5y. 27, 52 equal to 5y. This is 12 minus 5. How it is 52? We can say here upon 1. 13 on the 13, 27 on the 27. And 4, 1 30 and 13, and 13 for the 52. This is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Minus 52 upon 13 equal to 5y. Minus 54 upon 30 minus 25 upon 13 equal to 5y. Right? Now you can take 5 this as a cross multiplication. 13 into 5 equal to y. This 5 5 ja 25. This is minus 5. You can write here minus 5 upon 13 equal to y. This is your solution. Okay. We can take 5 as a calculation in the denominator. 5 5 ja 25. So minus 5 upon 13 is the solution. In this way, we find that x equal to 9 upon 13 and y equal to minus 5 upon 13. Right? This is the method of solving by solving of a pair of equation. That is elimination method. In this method, first of all, we will equate the coefficient of any variable x or y by multiplying suitable number. Then we will add or subtract whatever required to cancel or eliminate a variable. Then we can simplify, solve it. Now take one more question. X upon 2 minus 2y upon 3 equal to 1 equal to minus 1, and x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. X minus y upon 3 equal to 3. Right? Here are two questions. Two equation, x upon 2, 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1, x minus y by 3 equal to 3. We had to solve it by elimination. As we seen in the last class yesterday, that we should try to always first of all remove the denominator. After removing the denominator, we will find it simple. So in this case, 2 and 6, we can multiply this equation by 6. When you can write here x upon 2 minus 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1 multiplied by 6, equation number 1. You will get 6 into x upon 2 minus 6 into 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1 into 6. This to be cancelled. This is 3, this is 2, this is 3x minus 4y, 2 to the 4 equal to minus 6. This is your equation number 1, new form of the equation 1. Right? 3x minus 4y equal to minus 6. This is new form of the equation. Now in the second case, x minus y by 3 equal to 3. You can multiply here by 3. You can multiply here by 3. You will get 3x minus 3 into y by 3 equal to 3 into 3. You can get here 3x and this to be cancelled, minus y equal to 9. Equation number 2. Right? See here. Your equation number 1 is this, equation number 2 is this, right? In these two cases, now write the equation. 3x minus 4y equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y equal to 9. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. In this case, we see that coefficient of x is already equal. Coefficient of x in this case is 3, in this case is 3. So we don't multiply any other number for equating the coefficient. We have already equal coefficient. We need not to multiply by any number. So x का coefficient same है, पहले से सेम मिल गया हमको. सो हमें किसी और नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इक्वल करना है, इक्वल मिल गया ऑलरेडी. सो वी कैन डायरेक्टली हियर ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट. नाउ यू कैन राइट हियर. सो दिस आर इक्वल. एज वी टेल यू बिफोर दैट द नंबर, द वेरिएबल विच हैज इक्वल कोएफिशिएंट have what sign here? Plus. If it has same sign, what should be done? We should subtract these two equations. Now subtract. After subtraction, change the sign. What we should do? If both equation have same sign. सेम साइन अगर है तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, राइट? जिसको एलिमिनेट करना है उसके साइन से हमको मतलब है. सो दिस एंड दिस आर कैंसल्ड आउट. माइनस 4y प्लस y इज माइनस 3y. माइनस 6 माइनस 9 इज माइनस 15. माइनस 4y प्लस y इज माइनस 3y. माइनस 6 माइनस 9 इज माइनस 15. So y equal to minus 15 upon minus 3. Minus cancelled by minus, 3 by the 15. Y equal to 5. Y equal to 5. Right? Now 3, 4, 6, 3 minus y, 9, y equal to 5. Now put or substitute value of y in equation 1 and in equation 2. Any one of the equation we can use. Any one of this equation, right? So in this case we should use this. This is the simplest equation. This is 3x minus y equal to 9. We should here y 5, x minus 5 equal to 9 and 3x equal to 9 plus 5. Now x equal to 3x equal to 14, x equal to 14 upon 3. Isn't it? x equal to 14 upon 3. So this is the solution is, or we can say answer is x equal to 14 upon 3, y equal to 5. Okay, x equal to 14 upon 3, y equal to 5. One more thing we want to check over here. Now let us try some homework. X plus y. Yes, let us try these two questions as homework. Thank you.